Malka Digital. Today I wanted to tackle how would I approach marketing if I was in the coffee industry. In this crowded market, I would approach through the lens of your why. You have to know what sets you apart from the big corporations to the local competitors right down the street. Once your why is solidified, that is where you can tackle creating marketing campaigns that highlight and amplify your why. If heavy video content creation is something your team can commit to, I'd look at all the ways you can get in front of potential customers in the most effective way. It could be a combination of TikTok, Snapchat, Reels on the legacy networks, and even video ads via Google, Truth Social, etc. This type of pointed brand strategy is absolutely necessary to make your brand thrive. Our team at Malka Digital would love to strategize with your coffee brand and take your marketing new heights. Reach out to us today and we can help solidify your why and run together.